Welcome to our channel. Creating an information display server using a low-cost computer like a Raspberry Pi is perfect for showing real-time data like weather, news calendar events, or system statistics on a dedicated screen. Step 1. Gather your hardware including a Raspberry Pi or similar single-board computer, a monitor or TV, and necessary cables and power supplies. Step 2. Install a lightweight operating system like Raspberry Pi OS or Ubuntu Server on your device using the official imaging tool. Step 3. Connect your display device via HDMI and ensure it's configured to show the output correctly. Step 4. Update your system by running the update and upgrade commands to ensure all software packages are current. Step 5. Install a web browser or kiosk software that will display your information dashboard in full screen mode. Step 6. Choose a dashboard platform like Grafana, Home Assistant, or create a custom HTML page that displays the information you want to show. Step 7. Configure your system to automatically launch the dashboard in full screen mode when it boots up. Step 8. Set up your data sources by connecting to whether APIs, calendar services, or other information feeds that you want to display. Step 9. Customize the layout and appearance of your dashboard to make it easy to read from a distance. Step 10. Configure automatic screen wake and sleep times if desired to save power when the display isn't needed. Your information display server is now ready to keep you informed at a glance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.